Hello friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to see machine coding roundup interview questions star application. So whether we are working on a real system application or e-commerce site, there we find these kind of star components, feedback components, where we give rating to that service. Yeah, like this we have the star component on that e-commerce site or real system site. So now we select 2 star, then we get the 2 star selected, right? And then color also change. And then if we select 4 like this, then one more functionality we will build it. Then if we over on that star, then it should remove that uh, selected star. But if we remove a mouse from here, we haven't clicked, then it will have existing selected star like this. Yeah. Then functionality we are going to build in React.js. So let's start. So very first we will render 5 element here, and later we can render that is like 5 star. Yeah, for this one we have to create one array which have length of 5. So let's create one array that is new. This new array will create one array, and then here we'll give the length, so it will have the length of 5. So from this array we need just index, so we can directly map it. Map, here we can give any, and then index. So this index we need. Now we'll return it one span element. We'll check whether our index is working, I mean rendering correctly or not. Index, we'll just try to, yeah, yeah, our index is rendering correctly. So instead of that index, we will give that star. So in HTML we have the code for the star, and hash 9733. Yeah, and color. So this is a HTML code for this star. So we'll give some class name for this one, class name star, and we'll write CSS for this one. We'll make it little big, and then font size, we will have font size 40 pixel. Yeah, now a star, and then color. Okay, let it be like. We'll see in the DOM how it is printed. Yeah, we have 5 span elements which have star, and then class name also applied here. So now we will define one state const. We'll have rating set rating. Use initially we have 0 rating, and then we have to update once we click on some star. So here we can have on click, and then we can have back here, and then set rating. We can have index plus 1, because on the first star we have index 0, so that's why we are making it plus 1, so that we can have value 1. Now we just write one s3 elements. There will check whether we are selecting correct star or not. You have selected rating star. We'll check from here. 0 as of now. Initial value we have 0, so now we click on third. Yeah, so it means we're getting correct uh, star selection. So now here we have to write one logics. So now if we click on second, then first and second should get some class, that is class I mean star selected, any class we can give. So for that one we have to have one logics. So let field, if rating is greater than index plus 1, it means now we have rating 2. When we click on second, when we have rating 2, and then okay, let's try to class, and here we already have the class, so we need multiple class, so that's why we can use template literal here. So this is template literal. We have the syntax like that. We use star, then we'll write second class on the basis of some conditions. If it is filled, then selected star. If it is not, then we empty star. Okay, so on the basis of these conditions we gave. So now if we click on second star, then we have the rating 2, right? And here we have, for the first we have index 0, and for the second we have 2. So it means we have this index. So index 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So here we have to give equal to. So now check in the code, I mean whether these classes are getting applied or not. Now it has empty star. Now I'm clicking on second star. For 2 stars we got selected, like selected star. If we click on fourth, we got this, all first 4 are selected star. So we can give some styling here. Selected star color we can give orange, and for the empty star we can give empty gray color, gray or anything that, I mean gray is little bit, yeah. But, so now we have the 0 star selected, so that's why we are not seeing any orange selected star. Now I'm clicking on third. Yeah, that is working correctly as expected, right? We can have pointer cursor here on the star, cursor pointer. Yes, yeah, that is working expected, right? Now we have to work on that over functionality. So for this one, first we'll create one state. Set over, then we have initial value 0, right? So okay, from here we have to, so here we have two event handler. One is on mouse over and on mouse leave. So with the help of that, we can achieve that functionality. On mouse over means if we over on here. So now what we'll do is on mouse, oh sorry, over, then we'll update this set over index plus 1, right? We'll try to console it. Let's see, console.log for, now now I'm moving on third star. Yeah, we got 3, right? And then I'm moving on fifth, we got 4. So now if we leave mouse from here, then we should have that existing selected star there. So what we can do is here on mouse leave, when we leave mouse from that star, then it will uh, set that existing one, whatever we have rating. So set or is equal to rating. Yeah. Now let's check in the console. Now I'm hovering on second star. Yeah, we got second, right? Now I'm leaving mouse from here. We got 0 because we haven't selected any star. Now I'll select fourth. Now I'll over on second. We got second, right? Now I will leave fourth. It means that state is getting updated correctly. So now we have to check, add some logic here for that. So we have to give more priority to that over. So now we'll have over. If over is there, then check with uh, over uh, equal to this index plus 1, or else if over have some value, then check with this over. If not, or don't have any value, don't check with this rating. It means now we'll check here in browser. So now I'll over on this fourth. I'm removing, right? It's working as expected. Now I'm clicking on third. Now I'll over at fifth, and now I'm removing mouse from here without clicking. So I got 3. Yeah, it means this over functionality is working as expected. So this is how we create star applications in React.js. So I'm making this video for learning purpose. So if you find this useful, then like video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.